Alright guys, so we're installing George's plenum spacer on the G35 today. Looks like Jonas is pulling up right now.
What up, yo?
What up? Guys, I gotta say, I am so jealous of that car, the 370Z. I fucking love it.
My backup camera.
Oh yeah, you got the backup camera in there?
Okay. Alright, so.
Alright, so starting out, I just removed this cover. Removed the vacuum hose there, the one back there. Took off the intake. We're gonna unplug the throttle body, and then I think that's it. We're just gonna zip all these bolts out, take off the plenum, put the plenum spacer in, and that's about it. Grab it, bro. Is there any hoses connecting it or anything?
Yeah, I think one in the back.
Take from right here.
Get it, doctor.
It's better to disconnect it.
Yeah, just pull the whole thing with it. Pull the hose out.
Yep.
You got it? Alright.
Is there another line? Oh, there is another line. Right under.
Right there. This glass.
Cream cheese. There you go.
Alright, last hose is off. There we go. Plenum's out. You should clean all up in there too.
Yeah.
All this. Clean that out, and we're gonna add the plenum spacer. It's just gonna go right on top of this gasket. Then you just add the Z1 gasket on top, and it's a pretty simple install. All right, now it's much cleaner. We're gonna throw on the spacer, the new gasket, and zip it down. So I'll grab the spacer. All right, I just applied the spacer. They're just cleaning the top. This guy's gonna stick a screwdriver through there because there's like no
Close
air
your
left.
fucking eyes.
Yeah.
Probably that's not good. That's good shit.
All right, pour that out. Pour one out with all these.
Shotgun.
This is right on here. The spacer's right where it should be. We're just gonna put the gasket on top of this. Put the upper up top, and then just bolt it down. It's really simple. All right, guys. So when you're disconnecting it, the hoses you got to take off is this one. Here, flip it up like the right way. Yeah, like that. So when you're looking at the engine, there's this one on the left side. There's one here. Disconnect the throttle body. One down here, and then this one we just left the hose connected. That's the coolant line, and that's it. All right, so it's all on. All the lines are on. You just use the spacers with the seals for the top 6. You just put all these ones on with the washers. It's super simple, and then we're just gonna put the intake back on and torque them down to 44 to 61 inch-pounds.
It's weird because I have a G37.
That's the thought that counts. All right, guys, so we're torquing them down to 50 foot-pounds or inch-pounds. I'm sorry, and we're going in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start it up.
Ready?
Yep. You hear that?
That's fucking Jonas. Fuck.
Keep it on. Keep it on. That's good. I don't hear anything. Yeah. Alright, there's no leaks. We're good.
I was like, dude, what the fuck is that? And then I look under, I see Jonas' hand like this. I'm like, fuck.
Alright guys, you probably can't see me, but we're going to test this thing out now. We're on the butt dyno.